Hello Eastview families, and we're here again with another video tutorial to help you with the lessons. And I just want to give you a heads up on some things you may want to buy ahead of time. You're going to need 2 packages of some kind of drink mix, like a Kool-Aid mix of the same kind. And then for next week, if you want to go ahead and buy what you need for next week, you will need some Skittles. You need regular Skittles, and then also if you can find the wild berry kind, because you need the blue Skittle to make our complete rainbow. So that's just a heads up, and we'll get into our tutorial here in just a second. Okay, so here we are again. We're going to go over some activities that we do with our Eastview Kids Family Worship Sheet. And the first one is super simple, and I didn't think we needed to explain it to you. It's just Simon Says. And you can just do a game of Simon Says with your family, talking about how we need to obey God and follow the directions, which is the big idea, follow God's directions. We talk about Noah this week, and we talk about how Noah followed everything that God told him to do. And I thought while we were doing our activity, we could just share some juice together and while we're doing it. What's the problem?
I don't really like juice.
You don't really like it?
Yeah, there's no sugar.
Are you sure?
Nope.
What do you mean there's no sugar? Are you sure?
I really like it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's kind of gross. Did I forget something? I probably didn't follow the directions correctly, did I? All right, so something's wrong with this Kool-Aid, right? You don't want it?
Yeah.
Gross. This is gross Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. This is gross Kool-Aid. Let's put that away. I forgot the sugar. I didn't follow the directions. It says right on there to put in the sugar. And this kind of is going to go along with today's lesson, or the lesson for this Sunday, that following God's directions is very important, right? It makes a big difference in how things turn out. And we see in our story today that Noah followed God's directions exactly, even though they sounded a bit crazy. I mean, he told them to build this huge boat in the middle of a desert, and they hadn't even seen rain yet, and then all these animals were supposed to come. So do you think Noah thought that sounded a little bit crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. But did he do it? Did he follow God's directions? Yeah. So that's what we need to learn from this lesson, to follow God's directions. And Noah had some sweet rewards because he followed God's directions. So how about if we have some Kool-Aid that might taste a little bit better? Would that be a good idea?
Yeah.
All right, let me go get the stuff
I'm
with the
excited.
sweet sugar in it, and we'll enjoy that together.
I'm excited for that one, not this one. That one's gross.
That one is gross.
Luke can have it. Luke can have it.
Luke can have it. It's all yours, buddy. All right, that's it for this week, and we hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next week.